Hi, my name is Sandra and I'm with 2A Direct. Today I have the Motorola BPR40D. This is a digital version of Motorola's BPR40 analog radio. I've already taken all the components out of this box, so we have the radio, the battery, the antenna, the belt clip, the power cord, and the charger. So let's build this. First we have the radio, and for the battery we're going to slide it up at an angle until it clicks at the bottom, and then we're going to add the latch in, and that's going to click. Then we have the antenna. If you choose to use the belt clip, you slide this on the back of the battery, just like that. The power cord gets plugged into the back of the charger here, and you can easily slide in your radio. Make sure that your radio is completely turned off before you put it into the charging bank. To check out this radio or get replacements for these components, visit our website at 2adirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.